Hello students, we are doing chapter number 18 mensuration and today we will start exercise 18.2. In this exercise you will get the problem based on area of different type of quadrilaterals and polygons. So in quadrilaterals first figure is trapezium. In trapezium only one pair of parallel line we will get, these two will be non-parallel. So for this you can use formula half the sum of parallel side into the distance between them. Distance means we will take the perpendicular distance which we can call as height also. Second type of figure you will get a rhombus. Rhombus when all the four sides are equal and these opposite sides will be parallel to each other. For that we can use two formulas. First is half product of diagonals. And second we can use base into height, which we are using for parallelogram also. And third, when you have a general quadrilateral, you don't have any special quadrilateral, in that case what we can do, we can split out this quadrilateral into two triangle and we can use the formula of triangle. For triangle area formula is half base into height. So for this triangle we can use half base into height, and for this also base into half base into height. And for polygon we can split the polygon into small figure like triangle, trapeze, and then we can find out the area for the polygon. Now we will start exercise 18.2. Question number 1. Each side of a rhombus is 13 cm and one diagonal is 10 cm. Find the length of another diagonal. So here one diagonal is given 10 cm. If we take suppose this diagonal is 10 cm. So we know the diagonals of a rhombus will bisect each other at 90 degree. So bisect means this will be 5 cm and here to here it will be 5 cm. And bisect at 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree. Then one side, all the sides are 13 centimeter. This one is 13. This will be 13. This one also 13 and this one also 13. If we name it O, then you can see this triangle ODC is a right angle triangle. So we can use here Pythagoras theorem to find out this third side. So in triangle ODC, by Pythagoras theorem, OD square plus OC square is equal to DC square. Any one side we can take base, another side we can take height. So base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. OD we know it is 5 and OC we don't know, we have to calculate. DC is 13. So 5 square is 25 plus OC square is equal to 169. 25 we can shift another side, it will go for subtraction. So we will get OC square is equal to 144 and 144 we can write as 12 square. Square to square we can cancel, so OC value is 12 centimeter. O to C it is 12, same will be in opposite side also. This one also will be 12. So other diagonal is equal to double of this OC. 12 plus 12, it will be 24 centimeter. And second part, this was the first part. Second part we have to find out the area of this rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to, now we have both the diagonals, we can use formula half product of diagonals. So one diagonal is 24, another diagonal is 10. Can cancel out, then we will get 120 centimeter square. Next question number 2. The cross section area of a swimming pool is a trapezium. Its width AB is 14 meter, depth at the shallow end is 1.5 meter and the deep end is 8 meter. Find the area of the cross section. So you can see here this is in the form of trapezium. These two are the parallel side and this is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides, because here 90-degree angle is mentioned. Now to find out the area for this cross section, we will use trapeze formula because it is in the shape of trapezium. So area of cross section is equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. So parallel sides are here 1.5 and 8, and height is 14 meter. Yes, you can cancel 2 7 are 14. This we will get 9.5 into 7, which is equal to 66.5 meter square. Next question number 3. The area of a trapezium is 360 meter. The distance between parallel sides is 20 meter and one of the parallel side is 25 meter. Find the other side. So we will take, let other side is x meter. Now we will use the formula. So area of trapezium is given here, (360 meter square). We will apply the formula. Trapezium formula is half sum of parallel sides. So parallel side one is x and another one is 25 into the distance between them is 20, equal to 360 meter square. We can do the cancellation. 2 10 ja. So x plus 25 is equal to 360 by 10. This 10 is here in multiplication. When we will shift, it will go for division. So we have x plus 25 is 36. So x value is equal to 36 minus 25. We will get here 11 meter. So the other parallel side is 11 meter. Next question number 4. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6.5 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 13 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. So first one side is given and altitude is given. So base into height formula we can use and we can find out the area for this rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Altitude means height only. So base is 6.5 and height is 5 centimeter. After multiplication we will get 32.5 centimeter square. Now with the help of area and one diagonal we will find out the other diagonal. Area of rhombus, just now we have calculated 32.5, and if we use formula for diagonal, then formula is half d1 into d2 is equal to 32.5. So one diagonal we know 13 centimeter, another diagonal we have to find out. So d2 is equal to 32.5 into 2 by 13. This 2 will come for multiplication and 13 will come for the division. So d2 value we will get after cancellation 5 centimeter. Next question number 5. From the adjoining figure, calculate the area of trapezium, area of parallelogram and area of the triangle. So first we will calculate for trapezium. This full figure is a trapezium A, C, D, E. So area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides. This symbol we are using for the parallel sides into height. So half parallel sides are 13 and 7. These two are the parallel side into 6.5. So 13 into 7 we will 13 plus 7 will get 20 into 6.5. We can cancel and after multiplication we will get 65 meter square. Second part, we have to find out the area of parallelogram. Like this we can write in short parallelogram ABDE. For parallelogram formula is base into height. So ABDE, this parallelogram we have to find out. So base is here to here, or you can take this one also as base 7 centimeter into height is the same height only 6.5. After multiplication we are getting 45.5 meter square. Third part we have to find out the area of triangle BCD. This triangle we have to find out BCD. So for triangle formula is half base into height. So this base first we will calculate. This total distance A to C is 13 and A to B it is 7. So this will be 13 minus 7 which is equal to 6 meter. So base of this triangle is 6 meter, half into 6 and height is 6.5. Can cancel 2 3s and after multiplication we will get 19.5 meter square. Next question number 6. The area of a rhombus is equal to the area of triangle whose base and the corresponding altitude is 24.8 centimeter and 16.5 centimeter. If one of the diagonal of rhombus is 22 centimeter, find the length of other diagonal. So we will start from the given condition. Area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle. This condition is given in question. So area of rhombus formula is half first diagonal into second diagonal, and the area of triangle formula is half base into height. So both the side half is there, that we can cancel out. Now we can substitute the value. One diagonal is given 22, another diagonal we have to find out. This side base and corresponding altitude. Altitude means height only. This is 24.8 into 16.5. This 22 we can shift another side, so we will get 24.8 into 16.5 divided by 22. Now we can do the cancellation. 2 11 times 2 12.4 times, then by 11 we can cancel 11 1 and 0.5 and these two number we can multiply. After multiplication we will get 18.60 centimeter. So other diagonal is 18.6 centimeter. Next question number 7. The area of a trapeze is 540 centimeter. If the ratio of parallel side is 7:5 and the distance between them is 18 centimeter, find the length of parallel sides. So ratio of parallel sides are given 7:5. We can take, let parallel sides are 7x and 5x. Now we can use formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. So this area is given 540, half into 7x plus 5x into 18. We can cancel 2 9s. Both the side we can flip. We can write it 7 plus 5 will become 12x into 9 is equal to 540. This x we can keep and this 12 and 9 we can shift another side. It will go for division. Now you can cancel 9 6 54 60 time and 12 5 60. So the value of x we got here is 5 centimeter, which we can substitute. Therefore parallel sides are first is 7x, 7 into 5 35 centimeter, and second one is 5x, 5 into 5 which is equal to 25 centimeter. This was the question number 8. By mistake I have written question number 7, but this is question number 8. Next, question number 7. The perimeter of a trapezium is given 52 centimeter if its non-parallel sides are 10 centimeter each. Means this is 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. These two are the parallel. And its altitude means that this height is given 8 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. So to find out the area of trapezium, first we have to find out this sum of these non-parallel sides. Perimeter of a trapezium is given here. Is equal to 52 centimeter. This side is 10. This side is AB. We don't know. We have to find out. This another side is 10 and that is CD, which is equal to 52. So we can write AB plus CD is equal to 52 minus 10 minus 10. So the sum of non-parallel parallel sides we are getting 32. AB and CD are parallel sides. Now we can use the area formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. So half parallel sum of parallel side is 32 and height is given 8 centimeter. Cancel out 16 time and 16 into 8 128 centimeter square. So in this video we will do till here only. Remaining questions we will continue in next video. Thank you for watching this video.